So I can show one last thing, another more high-level type of thing. So I have this program. This editor don't have any file. You can't save or open files in it yet. So now I run everything here. So it's...
You report of them?
No, not really. I just used the graphics. So what we have here is like a small interactive scenario. And the code for this scenario is... it's this. This is the code. So this is an experiment in being high level. And I mean, this is maybe not that easy to get or solve. So I'll go through it quickly. So this is the symbolic names for these image resources. Then I set the background color. So game is like a central object that handles things related to the game. And virtual screen size, that's made so that positions can scale when you run it on different devices. Then I create a sprite. So I tell the game to create a sprite, and a sprite is returned. Then I use this Fluent style API, which is common in Java. So you send a message set image, which in turn returns the object, and you set the position. Then you can do stuff like follow pointer in the x coordinate. You can set the speed of object and the follow pointer in both coordinates. So this girl here, Faywin, follows the pointer in both directions. And of course you can change stuff here and also to a certain extent interactively mess around. So I could set the clock interval here, for example, to 1000, and then everything goes much slower. There's some milliseconds between each frame, and now it will go fast. Okay.
Men kompilering är som vanligt.
Vad sa du?
Men kompilering som vanligt.
Jag fattar inte.
Jag menar att sarga mot folk som kompilerar saker och väntar en minut sedan bara ha en
dynamisk... Okay. Peter said, sorry. Yeah, you wait for the compiler to finish, or the build to finish. It was being ironic.
Sorry, out of bounds.
Anyhow, yeah, this is how it works.
But, so, how do you produce an APK after this?
Okay, yeah, I will show you. So let's go to MoSync here. So what I've done with this is this project, Lua Play. That's the same program. So I have resources. Okay, so this is a list of resources. So I have these sprites, which are bundled here, and then I have the Lua file. And then in the C++ application is actually not that big. Here it is. So the MA main is the main method. So I create an instance of the Lua interpreter and initialize it. And then I load this script here. And then I tell the interpreter to... I create a moblet, okay. Yeah, I evaluate the script, okay. Then I create an interpreter moblet. And then I just enter the main loop of that moblet. Then keeps. So this is the amount of C you need to write, or C++. And then I select Android here, for example, and then it builds, and I can deploy it to my phone. And for those of you who want to download that app, I made. So let's see. So that's the bit.ly code. Did it work with the slides at all?
Yeah. It was really nice.
Yeah. It's nothing fancy. It's not that you drag or swipe or anything. It's just text fantasy. I can show you the the code for the slideshow project also, if you want.
But people want to have some...
Yeah, we quit now.
Questions?
Okay, questions.
Beers.
Yeah, when the silence speaks.
Are there
louder than
any
words.
commercial apps built on
Yeah,
MoSync?
yes. The best ones are unfortunately secret. For example, we are now working with advertisement, a startup that's doing advertisement on the mobile phones, and we have. I cannot even mention the business. This advertising app is not secret. And KLM is a customer, and what more do we have? We today signed with a Korean company who makes map applications.
Map.
Map applications, yes.
And on the open source side, and then cool apps.
Yeah, actually one of the coolest is this Python game coming up, made by one of our customers actually. Two of the developers working with the customer have started this, spare time project and used Python on a chip. And they will release now, hopefully soon, within the coming weeks. That's really cool to see Python coming to MoSync.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
And also, as always,
Thank you.
stay for a while. There's over there a fish, I think.